Do you use a row machine when you work out? A lot of things do not get considered when using this machine. Check out these tips to help make this machine more effective and safer while you're using it for your workouts.
Welcome back to Trainer Tip Tuesday. All month long, we're going to be giving you tips to improve the effectiveness and safety on the seated row machine. Today specifically, we're going to be discussing the non-moving parts of your body when you do this exercise.
One of the biggest non-moving components of the row is the trunk. A lot of times what happens is when people start doing a row, they'll lean back with their trunk and they'll pull as they're leaning back. When you're doing a row, try to keep your trunk in place and move your arms and shoulder blades relative to your trunk while keeping your trunk still. I'm not concerned so much whether you're leaning back and then pulling or whether you're more forward and pulling, but just keep your trunk position the same as you're pulling throughout the motion.
By keeping the movement in your arms and shoulder blades and limit the motion in your trunk and core, more of the work will be focused on your target areas. So try out this tip to increase the effectiveness of your rowing exercises.